previously we have seen the numerical. Right now we'll move one more. I'll read the numerical. A rod of linkage mechanism made up of steel having SUT 550 Newton per mm square is subjected to completely reversed stress axial load of P 100 kilonewton. The rod is machined, this is required for K, machined, lathe, and expected reliability, the process will have to write, machined. Expected reliability R 95%. There is no stress concentration, okay. Determine the diameter of rod, D is equal to question mark. If factor of safety 2 for infinite life condition. So this was the problem they have given. So we'll solve. The ultimate aim to find out the diameter. They have not mentioned any structure. So we'll move one by one as per the step. As like we know step number 1. SE is equal to. Right now I don't think you have problem for finding Ka, Kb, Kc. Already we have found a lot many times SE dash. So we'll have to K. I'll directly write in this case. So see. For the K, which process they have? Machine, this chart, and SUT 550. So here 500, 550 somewhat at center here. Is that visible? 550, x-axis 500, 550, and machining. So I'll get this point. So through which I can say K is equal to, see, K is equal to 0.78. Is that clear? Is that clear? 550 SUT through which I'll move upward, and by moving upward I'll meet this point, and through which I'll get 0.78. It is nearer to 0.8. So I'll write K 0.78 into KB, size factor. Now size factor, they have not mentioned any size in the diagram, in the statement, nowhere. So we'll have to assume. While assuming, we'll have to assume this one, 0.85. It is situated in between 7.5 to 50. So I will have to assume 0.85. 0.85 into Kc, reliability factor. How much reliability is given? 95. 95.868. 0.868 into Kd, modifying factor. So Kd is nothing but 1 by Kf. 1 by Kf. So Kf is 1 plus Q, Kt minus 1. Q is given? No. Kt is given? Any structure? No. So two unknowns are there, not possible to calculate. We'll have to consider 1. Understood? 1 into SE dash. It is 0.5 times SUT. SUT is nothing but 550. Correct? So through which I'll get SE is equal to, I'll write here, SE is equal to Newton per mm square. SE is equal to, you will get the value of endurance limit. SE is equal to this total value 275. So SE is equal to 158.26 endurance limit. So this will be the 158.26, but they are interested in diameter of rod, small d. As we know, as I told you, sigma t is nothing but SE by factor of safety, which we have seen in previous numerical. So SE 158.26, factor of safety 2. So therefore I'll get sigma t 79.13 Newton per mm square. Correct? Now we know sigma t is equal to, if they are interested in diameter, so diameter is of course circular cross section pi by 4 d square. So sigma t is known, P is known, they have given, and diameter is remain. So P is how much? 100 kilonewton divided by pi by 4 d square, which is equal to 79.13. So through which diameter is, will get 40.11 mm. So we can say it is around 45 mm. Clear? So likewise, we are going to solve the numerical very easily. Here I have done directly, but instead of that, A, B, C, D systematically, whichever we have solved the numerical, previous numerical, as like that, you will have to solve, so that you will get the values or answer correctly. Okay? Thank you.